Narrator. Hello, fantastic English learners, and welcome back to the English Learning Podcast's beginner series. I'm your narrator, and I'm thrilled you're joining us today. Do you have a special place that makes you feel happy, peaceful, or excited? Could be a place in your home, a park, a city, or even a country. Our favorite places hold special meaning for us, often bringing back good memories or providing a sense of comfort and joy. Talking about your favorite place is a wonderful way to express your feelings, share personal connections to different environments, and inspire others to explore. It helps you describe sights, sounds, and emotions, enriching your descriptive English. That's why today we're focusing on talking about your favorite place in English. We'll explore simple words and phrases to talk about where this place is, what it looks like, what you do there, and why it's so special to you. Learning these phrases will give you a great boost in your ability to share your personal experiences and engage in meaningful conversations. In this episode, you're about to hear a natural and easy-to-follow conversation between two friends, Gabriel and Hannah. They will talk about their favorite places, describing what makes these locations special, what they do there, and the feelings they evoke. They'll use simple English, making it easy for you to understand and start talking about your own favorite place. After their conversation, we'll have a short, active practice session to help you use these new words and phrases yourself. Listen closely to their simple English and the useful vocabulary they use. Get ready to expand your vocabulary and practice listening just by tuning in. Let's dive into the conversation. Gabriel: Hi Hannah. How are you today? I was just thinking about my upcoming vacation, and it made me imagine my favorite place in the world. Do you have a favorite place, Hannah? Where is it and what kind of place is it? Hannah: Hi Gabriel. I'm doing great, thanks. That's a lovely thought to have. Yes, I absolutely have a favorite place. It's a small, quiet beach in a town called Positano, Italy, on the Amalfi Coast. It's not the main, big beach, but a hidden one you reach by walking down many steps. It's very beautiful, with clear blue water and colorful houses built into the cliffs. It's a truly magical place for me. What about you, Gabriel? What's your favorite place and where is it located? Gabriel: A small, quiet beach in Positano, Italy, with clear blue water and colorful houses on the cliffs. That sounds incredibly picturesque and peaceful, Hannah. What a beautiful favorite place to have. My favorite place is a mountain cabin that belongs to my family. It's located deep in the Swiss Alps, near a small village called Lauterbrunnen, Switzerland. It's quite isolated, surrounded by tall mountains, green valleys, and waterfalls. Feels like a place away from the world. What does your favorite beach in Positano look like, Hannah? Can you describe it a little more? Hannah: A mountain cabin in the Swiss Alps near Lauterbrunnen, isolated among tall mountains and waterfalls. That sounds absolutely breathtaking and very peaceful, Gabriel. What a unique and special family place. My favorite beach in Positano, Italy, is mostly pebbles, not sand, so the water is very clear. There are a few colorful fishing boats pulled up on the shore. On one side, there's a small cliff with some green plants growing. On the other side, there's a traditional Italian seafood restaurant with tables right on the beach. You can hear the gentle sound of the waves. It's usually not very crowded, which makes it feel private and calm. What does your mountain cabin in the Swiss Alps look like inside and outside, Gabriel? Gabriel: Pebbles, colorful fishing boats, a small cliff with green plants, and a seafood restaurant right on the beach. Your description of the Positano beach paints such a vivid and inviting picture, Hannah. It sounds truly serene. My mountain cabin is made of dark wood and stone, like an old traditional Swiss chalet. Outside, it has a large wooden balcony where you can sit and look at the stunning mountains and listen to the cowbells from the valley below. Inside, it's very cozy with a big stone fireplace, soft blankets, and wooden furniture. There's a small kitchen and 2 bedrooms. It has big windows that let in a lot of light and offer amazing views of the landscape. What do you usually do when you are at your favorite beach, Hannah? Hannah: A dark wood and stone cabin with a large wooden balcony for mountain views, and a cozy interior with a stone fireplace. Your cabin sounds perfectly rustic and inviting, Gabriel. What a wonderful escape. When I'm at my favorite beach in Positano, I usually swim in the clear water for a long time. The water is so refreshing. Then I lie on my towel on the pebbles and read a book or just listen to the waves and feel the sun. Sometimes I order a fresh seafood dish from the restaurant. It's mainly a place for relaxation and enjoying nature's beauty. How often do you go to your mountain cabin, Gabriel? And what do you usually do there? Gabriel: swimming, reading, listening to waves, feeling the sun, and enjoying fresh seafood. Those sound like the ideal activities for a peaceful beach day, Hannah. It truly sounds like a place for ultimate relaxation. I usually go to my mountain cabin about 3 or 4 times a year, depending on my work schedule. I go in the summer for hiking, in autumn for the beautiful colors, and sometimes in winter for skiing or just enjoying the snow by the fireplace. When I'm there, I love to go hiking in the mountains, explore new trails, and breathe the fresh air. I also enjoy cooking simple meals with my family, reading books, and just relaxing by the fireplace in the evenings. It's a place to disconnect from busy city life. Why is this beach your favorite place, Hannah? What feelings does it give you? Hannah: going to your mountain cabin 3 or 4 times a year for hiking, cooking, reading, and relaxing by the fireplace sounds like a wonderful way to reconnect with nature and family, Gabriel. It's clear it's a place for disconnecting. This beach in Positano is my favorite place because it gives me a feeling of complete peace and calm. When I'm there, I forget about all my worries and feel totally relaxed. The beauty of the place, with the blue water and colorful houses, also makes me feel very happy and inspired. It's a place where I feel truly myself and at ease. What makes your mountain cabin your favorite place, Gabriel? What feelings does it give you? Gabriel: that's beautiful, Hannah. Complete peace, calm, happiness, and inspiration. It sounds like a truly rejuvenating place where you feel completely at ease. My mountain cabin is my favorite place because it gives me a strong feeling of freedom and tranquility. There are no city noises, just the sounds of nature. Birds, wind, and waterfalls. I feel very connected to nature there, and it reminds me of my childhood. It's a place where I can truly relax and clear my mind. It also gives me a sense of belonging because it's a family place passed down through generations. How long have you known about this beach in Positano, Hannah? Hannah: freedom, tranquility, connection to nature, a clear mind, and a sense of belonging. Your mountain cabin sounds like a profound and special favorite place, Gabriel. Knowing it's a family legacy adds to its depth. I've known about this specific beach in Positano for about 10 years. My family and I discovered it during a summer vacation to Italy. We were exploring the smaller streets in Positano, which is in the Campania region, and accidentally found the steps leading down to it. It felt like finding a secret treasure, and since then it's been our special spot. Have you known your mountain cabin all your life, Gabriel, or did you discover it later? Gabriel: discovering that hidden beach in Positano 10 years ago, feeling like it was a secret treasure. Sounds like a wonderful story, Hannah. It's lovely that it became your family's special spot. My family has owned the mountain cabin for a very long time, so I have known it all my life. I first went there when I was a baby, and I've been going every year since then. It's a place full of childhood memories for me, from learning to ski to exploring the forests around it. Feels like a second home. Do you ever go to your favorite beach alone, Hannah, or always with others? Hannah: knowing your mountain cabin all your life, having it full of childhood memories, and feeling like it's a second home, is truly special, Gabriel. What a rich history with one place. I usually go to my favorite beach with my family or friends, but sometimes I also go alone. When I go alone, it's usually in the morning, very early, when there are almost no people there. I love the quietness and the feeling of having the whole place to myself. It's perfect for thinking and just enjoying the beauty. Do you usually go to your mountain cabin alone or with family/friends, Gabriel? Gabriel: going alone to your favorite beach in the early morning for quietness and reflection sounds like a beautiful solitary experience, Hannah. It's lovely to have that personal space. I usually go to my mountain cabin with my family. It's become a tradition for us to spend holidays or long weekends there together. Sometimes I bring a few close friends as well, especially if we plan a hiking or skiing trip. It's a place for sharing experiences, but I also enjoy quiet moments there by myself, like sitting on the balcony in the morning. Is your favorite beach difficult to reach, Hannah? Hannah: going to your mountain cabin mostly with family and sometimes friends, sharing experiences, but also enjoying quiet solitary moments. Sounds like a balanced and cherished tradition, Gabriel. Yes, my favorite beach is a little difficult to reach. You have to walk down many steps from the main road in Positano, probably around 200 steps. Going down is easy, but walking back up can be tiring, especially in the summer heat. But it's worth the effort because it means fewer tourists, and the peace and beauty are a wonderful reward. Is your mountain cabin difficult to reach, Gabriel? Gabriel. That's a good description, Hannah. 200 steps down to the beach, easy to go down, tiring to go up, but worth it for the fewer tourists and the peace. The effort makes it more special. My mountain cabin is also a little difficult to reach, but in a different way. You have to drive along a narrow, winding mountain road, and then for the last kilometer, you have to walk along a small path because the road ends. In winter, if there's a lot of snow, it's even harder, and we sometimes use snowshoes. But like your beach, the difficulty adds to its charm. It keeps it quiet and truly isolated. Do you plan to visit your favorite beach again soon, Hannah? Hannah. A narrow, winding mountain road and a last kilometer by foot, with potential snowshoeing in winter. Your mountain cabin sounds truly remote and beautifully challenging to access, Gabriel. The isolation is definitely a part of its charm. Yes, I absolutely plan to visit my favorite beach again soon. I'm hoping to go back to Positano next summer, probably in July. I've already started dreaming about the clear water and the delicious seafood from the restaurant. I try to go back every 2 or 3 years if I can. What about you, Gabriel? When do you plan to visit your mountain cabin next? Gabriel. Planning to visit your favorite beach next July and already dreaming about the clear water and seafood sounds wonderful, Hannah. It's great to have something so beautiful to look forward to. I plan to visit my mountain cabin in autumn this year, probably in October. The autumn colors in the Alps are incredibly beautiful with all the red and yellow trees. It's a perfect time for hiking before the snow comes. I'm really looking forward to the fresh, crisp air and the quietness. Do you think having a favorite place is important for people, Hannah? Why or why not? Hannah. Visiting your mountain cabin this October for the beautiful autumn colors and crisp air sounds like an ideal plan, Gabriel. Autumn hiking in the Alps must be stunning. Yes, I absolutely think having a favorite place is important for people. For many reasons. First, it gives you a place where you can relax and escape from stress. It's a mental refuge. Second, it often holds special memories that bring you joy and comfort. Third, it can be a source of inspiration and happiness. And finally, it gives you something wonderful to look forward to and dream about, especially during busy or difficult times. So yes, very important. Do you agree that having a favorite place is important, Gabriel? Gabriel. I completely agree, Hannah. Your reasons are spot on. A place for relaxation and escape, holding special memories, offering inspiration and happiness, and providing something to look forward to. These are all incredibly important benefits of having a favorite place. I think especially the idea of it being a mental refuge where you can escape stress is so powerful. It's not just a physical location. It's a feeling of comfort and peace that you carry with you. This has been a great chat about favorite places. I've really enjoyed hearing about your beautiful beach in Positano. Hannah. Yes, it has been, Gabriel. I've really enjoyed hearing about your incredible mountain cabin in the Swiss Alps and all the wonderful feelings it gives you. It's always interesting to learn about the places that are special to people. Gabriel, it definitely is, Hannah. It helps us understand each other better. Well, it was really nice talking to you about favorite places. I should probably get going now. I have to check the weather forecast for my autumn trip. Hannah. Of course, Gabriel. I understand completely. I hope the weather forecast is perfect for your trip. It was really nice catching up with you and learning so much about your favorite place. Have a great rest of your day. Gabriel, you too, Hannah. Enjoy dreaming of your next beach visit. See you around soon. Hannah. See you, Gabriel. Practice session. Your turn to speak. Narrator. All right, fantastic learners, it's your turn to practice. I'll ask you a question about your favorite place. Listen to my question, then say your answer aloud. Try to use the new phrases you heard today. Do you have a favorite place? Where is it? Good. Now, what does your favorite place look like? Excellent. One more. What do you usually do when you are at your favorite place? Narrator. Fantastic work. Now just quickly repeat these 2 important phrases after me. My favorite place is a beach. It makes me feel calm. Narrator. You're doing great. Keep practicing talking about your favorite place in English. Conclusion. Narrator. Wow, you've done an incredible job today. You just practiced a very personal and descriptive topic, talking about your favorite place in English. You can now confidently describe where your favorite place is, what it looks like, what you do there, and why it's so special to you. This is a fantastic step in your English journey. Remember to use these new phrases every day. The next time you're thinking about a place that makes you happy or someone asks about your ideal spot, try to describe it in English to yourself or a friend. Every time you practice, you're building real confidence step by wonderful step. Keep learning, keep speaking. Don't miss our next lesson in the beginner series. Goodbye for now.